Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a JavaScript code with DeepSeek. DeepSeek can create different programming codes, for example JavaScript. So let's ask it about JavaScript now. For example, let's generate So I've asked it to generate a whole HTML, CSS, and JS code, so it's all connected. But it can also help you with just one thing, some snippets. It's just up to you. Okay, so this is my prompt. It's pretty simple. So now you can see it is generating it. Although I'm gonna pause it because I forgot to include the fact that I want it in one file. So I don't want the separate CSS file. Of course, it's better to have the separate one, but I just want to show it to you with the run HTML function here. And now you can see it's generating everything like the style. Now it's doing the HTML. And now it's doing the script. And now I think it's done. Let's just wait until it finishes. And let's click on Run HTML. And as you can see, it has created it. So it shows the current date. You can also hover over things. And this is how it looks. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.